What's the best way to learn AI online for free? Should you use Coursera or YouTube? The answer depends on how serious you are about learning artificial intelligence and what you want to achieve. Before we begin, if you decide to upgrade later, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access thousands of AI courses while saving money. If your budget is zero, YouTube is a great place to start. You can watch tutorials on ChatGPT, Python, machine learning, prompt engineering, and many other AI topics completely free. It's perfect for exploring AI and finding quick answers to specific questions. Coursera also offers free learning options. Many courses let you access the video lessons without paying, although you'll usually need to purchase the certificate if you want graded assignments and an official credential. That means you can still learn from world-class instructors without spending anything upfront. The biggest difference is structure. On YouTube, you'll often jump from one video to another without a clear roadmap. On Coursera, courses are organized into step-by-step learning paths created by leading universities and companies like Stanford, DeepLearning.AI, Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta. For beginners, Andrew Ng's AI for Everyone is an excellent place to understand the basics of artificial intelligence. If you want technical skills, the Machine Learning Specialization teaches Python, TensorFlow, machine learning, and practical AI concepts through guided lessons and projects. If you decide to take multiple courses, Coursera Plus becomes the better value. Instead of paying for individual courses, you get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects under one subscription. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it a smart investment if you're committed to learning AI. So, which is better? If you simply want to explore AI for free, both YouTube and Coursera are excellent choices. But if your goal is to build job-ready skills, follow a structured learning path, and earn recognized certificates, Coursera is the stronger long-term option. If you're ready to start, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.